with you, that you have chronic fatigue, and so we do the next round of testing, where we use the O-ring test. So let's get ourselves in position. So let's do this one first, and then this one, and the next one. Okay, so we're going to use this finger for testing. Okay, so let's test his brain first. So you have to reach over there. That's good. Thyroid, that opens up, so that there's a problem into the lung. And also opens up, so we got a problem there. Do the liver. That's okay. Gallbladder, it's okay. Pancreas area, it's okay. Stomach, it's okay. Small intestine, it's okay. Colon is okay. And the pelvic floor, that's okay. To the kidneys, okay, that's okay. So that's fine. So let's look at what is wrong with the thyroid. Most likely he needs some thyroid hormone. He looks a little bit like puffy, so like myxedema. So let's try the different types of thyroid hormone. Let's do the first one. This is T4. See if we're thyroid deficient. Let's kind of test this first. Okay, and go back to the thyroid. That does not change the test. Let's do the other one. It's T3, another thyroid hormone. And that fixes it. It becomes solid. So one thing we found out that he's hypothyroid. He needs T3. We will definitely follow that up with some lab work, and figure out where the exact dosing should be. Now let's check the lung. We've got a strong ring. Okay, so it opens up when you hold the lung point on both sides. So the most nasty issue on the lung is currently the inhalation of fine dust particles, and so the main one is aluminum within that. So let's see if we get a 2.2 that. Is this the aluminum or the? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we use simply a vial of aluminum to see if there's a resonance with that. So just please go to the lung. No, the lung points higher. That resonates with it to the other side. So he's got aluminum dust on the lung. So let's take this off and test some of our remedies. Usually aluminum is removed with silica and malic acid, so we try that. Let me first test it like this. Okay, and hold them. Yes, and that works. Okay, so we have under the body scan, we find 2 weak structures, the thyroid and the lung. And we find, some simple treatment modalities that we can do for him. And we will certainly initiate it as a protocol. So we will do thyroid lab testing. We will get a chest X-ray to see if this is advanced lung disease or if it's something more superficial. And then we put him on the appropriate regimes that we found.